Hi beauties, Victoria Lee here, and oh my gosh, it has been such a long time. I'm so happy to be back and recording, and as you can see, in a completely new location. I have a nice little backdrop now. Everything's all clean and my space. So I'm really excited to be here today and to have kind of a new vibe for videos. So for today's video, I was just thinking of a really chill, like get ready with me, catch up on life, talk about my favorite makeup products, maybe talk about some new makeup products that I got for Christmas. So all of that good stuff. Really just gonna be like a little catch up, get ready with me, and like there's some new makeup products that I've tried that I really feel like I need to talk about. So let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so first things first, I know I'm very pale right now, hair's literally in a bun, haven't done it in a while. I'm shooting a video after this, so I was like, let me just do a little get ready with me, two-in-one purpose, you know, like record 2 videos for my channel in one kind of thing. So I did want to start because I'm really excited about this. Yesterday, my best friend and I did our like little Christmas gift exchange, and she got me the Rhode Peptide lip treatment, and this thing has been sold out for, I don't know, like months. Like I feel like every time they put it back on, it gets sold out, and I've been wanting it so bad. I'm wearing it right now. It's like a lip treatment, so it's like super hydrating, but it's also like super shiny. Like if you follow Haley, or if you've ever seen like a video of her recently, she is marketing this bad boy like crazy. Like she literally wears it over lip pencil and everything. I'm gonna kind of be channeling her today, and I even bought like a lip pencil. I think that's like exactly the color that she wears. So we're definitely gonna put these two together, but I'm wearing it right now because I thought, you know, the weather is making me really dehydrated, very chapped. So I thought I would start by telling you guys about this because I'm super excited about it. Also, she got me the Shea Butter Acai Peptides Barrier Restore Cream. It's like a facial cream. It's a pretty good size. It looks like this. It's actually really great because my face has been really dry. I have like this one little dry patch like right here that I can't get rid of. So I'm just gonna start by putting just like a little bit of that on each side. So right here. Well, we're gonna try it out. This is my second time using it. I used it last night before bed, so we shall see. But I was super excited about both those products because I've been wanting some things from Rhode, and these are like the 2 things that if I were to get something that I would actually use. So look at my beautiful backdrop. These are all, it's like kind of hard to see maybe at the end of the video, not maybe, like at the end of the video, I'll take you through the room and kind of just like show you my wall back here because I'm actually obsessed with it. I moved into an apartment with my boyfriend, so this is my first time kind of living on my own, and we were lucky enough to get this really great space where I was able to turn one of the rooms into like my makeup room. So where I am right now is literally just a room for me to sit by my vanity, do my makeup, kind of like decompress in the morning or the night or whatever. It's just been so great. So I was like, let me make it a total like my vibe in here, and that's exactly what I did. Like, I'm very excited about all of this. Okay, so for my makeup to start, why don't we start with eyes? Mom actually got me the Ulta Beauty Disney, some parts of the Disney collab with Ulta Beauty, so I wanted to show that. I haven't used any of it yet. She got me the Animal Kingdom palette and the Epcot palette, and then she got me the makeup sponges, and they're super cute. I wet this one, which is why it's huge. Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and Magic Kingdom little beauty blenders. They're so soft. I literally just wet this one like 5 minutes ago. I have not used any of these yet, so I thought, why not use it today? Okay, so here is the Epcot eyeshadow palette. It's actually fairly small. It's probably hard to see here, but like compared to the box, it's like super small. Here is the size of the actual shadows. So I was a bit shocked about that, honestly. Like for reference, I'll show you like the pan sizes. I mean, it's a Disney collab, like it's cute. So I'm not saying it as a negative thing. I was just like quite shocked because so tiny. I said to my mom, like, this is really cute. The names are so cute. Like World Discovery, Harmonious, Test Track, Living with the Land, World Showcase, Club Cool, World Celebration, Stardust, Soarin', Spaceship Earth, Remy, Test Track, World Nature. So they're all like names that pertain to Epcot, and I think it's really cute. The colors are pretty. So let me show you the Animal Kingdom one super quick. This is the Animal Kingdom one. It's the Tree of Life. If you know me, you know I love Disney. The pans are the same size. And the names for this one are super cute too, all pertaining to Animal Kingdom. Wilderness Explorer, Zebra Domes, Harambe Market, Expedition Everest, Tree of Life, Jungle Trek, Pandora, Yeti, Night Blossom, Firefly Magic, Pangu Pangu, and Nature. Each of the palettes came with a gloss. Like this purpley gloss. It's actually really pretty and comfortable on the lips. I tried this on. Kingdom one just came with this clear, like sparkly gloss. I said like, I feel like this would be a really great like first makeup palette for like teen or something like that. Like they're super cute. Like they just are like cute and they're small. I'm going to use one of the beauty blenders. Like I said, super squishy, and I'm really happy because I was running out of beauty blenders. Apologies for raspy voice. I am definitely like coming up with a cold or something. I don't know, the weather has been so crazy lately. Like on Christmas and Christmas Eve, it was like literally 9 degrees, and the last 2 days it's been like 50 degrees. I don't even know where I'm going with that, but I think that's why I'm sick or like coming down with something. I've literally tested myself like 18 times by now, and I don't have COVID, so I'm just rocking with a raspy voice. I think I'm going to go in with the Animal Kingdom palette. This is the Epcot colors, or the Animal Kingdom colors. And some good brushes. I showed this brush holder in one of my little YouTube shorts, but I think it's so cute. While I'm doing this, I will talk a little, I'll give you a little bit of life updates. So on top of moving, I moved in the beginning of October, end of September, beginning of October. So it's been like a sprint to say the least. On top of moving, I did start a brand new job. So I've mentioned before on my channel that I teach, still totally teaching. It's been hard for me to get on and kind of record a video because I've been so busy. My own classroom, there's 25 students in my class, so I really had focused all of my attention on works. And on top of that, I'm also taking like a lot of classes to get, you know, teaching credits and stuff like that. So it's just definitely been a lot. I was gonna use this like really sparkly green shade, but it turns out it's like almost sparkly black. Well, this is like kind of a cute look. I'm gonna do the other eye, try to clean everything up, and then we will move on. Okay guys, so I really tried to like fix this look, but I'm just going with it. It's like a very like almost like a throw up green eye color. It's giving Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna stop it there. I definitely agree with what I said in the beginning after using them, that I think this is a great like starter palette for maybe like a teenage girl or a tween or something like that. Just putting on some of my e.l.f. Poreless putty primer because, you know, some things just never change. I've really liked living on my own. I miss living with my parents, of course, but living on my own has definitely been its own, just been like an experience so far, and kind of cool to have more of the independence aspect. So there's just been a lot going on the last couple of months, and I definitely do apologize for my absence on YouTube. So I'm really excited actually to talk about a new product right after I do my concealer. There's a new product that I've been dying to talk about on my channel because I've really been loving it. I do like this beauty blender, and I'm glad I have, how many more do I have? 3 more. I never know like when to change my beauty blender. Like how long do you guys go before you use a new beauty blender? Because I will literally, I use the same beauty blender for like over a month before changing it. And I know that's probably not the most sanitary thing, but it's true. Let's move on to the new product I wanted to talk about. So I bought these DIBS contour slash cream blushes. So I saw the creator on TikTok. I saw like her and her best friend who I think collabed on these. And I was like, I need these. They looked so good and so creamy, and I've been wanting to try a new contour. So the shade that I'm going to use today is in 5.5, but I also bought the shade 2. The shade 2 is better for like an everyday, like if I'm going to work and I'm like putting on contour, I would wear that. And then the shade 5 is more like if I'm going out, because it's a little bit darker, but I've been placing it a little bit higher than normal. It goes on so creamy. It's actually crazy. I got these from their site too. I could be wrong, but I'm almost positive like Sephora and Ulta do not sell these. I think that they're an independent company. I'm just gonna use a beauty blender and watch, just watch. I want you to see how quickly it blends into my skin. That's so nutty. It's like a good few little pounces and it's just in my skin. Like it's crazy. I don't know. I feel like this brand, maybe I'm saying it's underrated, maybe it's not underrated. Like maybe a lot of people know about it. I haven't seen like anybody who I know talk about it besides like the creator. And I'm so happy I decided to order 2 from this site. Like I'm just so happy about it because it's such a good brand. So I'll definitely link these down below. And then this is the cream blush. I'm gonna put it on, but I wanted to like show it to you. It's so hard to see in this lighting. And for the cream blush, I just put like a little on each cheek. I just do the same thing with the same blender and blend it out. And it's such a pretty like little rosy color too. I'm gonna go put some powder on. I'm just gonna use my Fit Me Plus powder and then I'll be right back. Okay, powder's on. Well, let me put on some bronzer. I'm still using my butter bronzer. I use this like if I'm going out, but I have been using, and I don't love it. So I'm not saying this is like one of my favorites or anything, but I have been using the Kylie bronzer in Tequila Tan for work just because it's a lot lighter, and I feel like when I put my butter bronzer on for work, every time I come home I'm looking like the hottest mess because I'm just like running around all day. So that is what I've been using for work, but I still do love my butter bronzer. It's been super nice to have like a little break off from teaching. You know, we have our Christmas break and it's been really nice to just kind of chill. I felt like my social battery was getting really low. Would not trade my job for the world. I love it so much and I'm so grateful to have the position that I do currently have. But of course, anybody likes a little break from work, right? I just currently finished Emily in Paris. It was so good. The ending had me shook. I'm not gonna say anything, but it was so good. I watched it in the span of 2 days. They're so easy to watch because they're like 20 minutes long. Like some are like 30, some are like 20, and then it's like after every episode, you know I'm gonna click next episode. Been loving every minute of waking up, having a coffee, sitting in my bed and watching Emily in Paris has been like the most relaxing thing to me ever. Everybody's telling me to watch White Lotus, so I gave it a shot, and I have to say, I mean, I've only watched 2 episodes, so don't come for me, but I did not love what I've watched so far. It's like, I just feel like there's no plot to it. I thought there was gonna be, I'm like, what is the plot to this? And I know I'm only on episode 2, but the episodes are an hour long each, so I'm like, what am I supposed to be gaining from these 2 episodes? Like, what am I supposed to be learning about the characters right now? Because I truly just don't know. Do you guys like White Lotus? Let me know in the comments below because I am curious to hear people's opinions. Do I continue or do I not? That is the question. If you guys have any recommendations of any other shows, drop it down below. I'm trying to get my boyfriend to watch Ted Lasso with me. I already watched both seasons, but I really want to rewatch it. And I want him to watch it because it's just like the best feel-good show ever. So I'm like, let's watch it. Like everybody needs a good feel-good show, especially now that the holiday season is over. That's like the most depressing time of the year, when the holiday seasons are over. I feel like the eye look has kind of come together with the rest of the makeup now. Like it's not as horrible as it was. It's like fine. Take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm happy to have the big one because I only had the little one. I love this stuff. It's great. What people say about it is actually really true. It really does make your makeup stay on. I'm almost done with the look, but I do want to try to do the Hailey Bieber lip. Let me go get the lip pencil that I was talking about. This is the lip pencil that I was talking about. It is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 600 Anywhere Caffeine. And this is what is rumored that Hailey Bieber uses. I don't know if it's true, but I did hunt it down and I got the last one. I hate to be that person, but I really did get it. It's a super natural shade and I've really been loving it. So I'm gonna pair it with her gloss. I'm really channeling her right now. So I'm just gonna outline. So not only am I outlining, but I'm gonna kind of like shade it in too. And as you can see, it's just like a really natural but pretty shade. So I've been using this a lot and I'm going to pair it with her gloss. I love the packaging, it's just so pretty. And it looks like that. Super pretty, super comfortable, high shine glossy. Channeling my Hailey, oh my gosh, I think she's like the most perfect human being ever. So that is officially the end of my makeup look. So now I thought I'd give you just a quick little tour. It's a little bit messy in here, but I know you guys won't judge me. So I'll show you what my new little makeup room looks like. Okay guys, so this is gonna be just a really quick tour because the room is not too big, but I am wearing my sweats. I'm comfy girl vibes right now. I got this beautiful full length body mirror and I'm obsessed with it. I think it ties the room all together. It has little gold accents on the side. And this plant, which I named Hagrid because it reminds me of Hagrid's hair. It was actually a gift. It's a snake plant and it was a moving gift with this cute little rug from Amazon. And then I have the same structure that my dad built me just to hold like my hair products and stuff. And then my really messy vanity, don't even look at it. Little trash can and other little hair supplies. And then the Papasan chair, which I love when people can come in and kind of like chill with me. And then the beautiful back of it. So what the background is actually all Harry Styles songs in a discreet way though. I love Harry. It's just some of my favorite songs from his last album. So Living in a Daydream, and they all say like Harry's House in the track. You Got Me Cruising the Daylight. Should We Just Keep Driving? And then these cute floating shelves that have the same gold accent that my full body mirror does. This is just like a fake plant, obviously it looks fake, that I got from Home Goods. Over here, that is my grandma who passed away's perfume. So I try to honor that, and I usually had it on top of my vanity and I was like, wait, now I have like a cute place to display it. And then here I have just one of my picture frames, Bad Vibes Don't Go With My Outfit, and a little bubble candle. So I'm completely obsessed with the way that this little backdrop came out. Shout out to my boyfriend for helping me hang everything up because I would have never been able to do that on my own. And then I just have a closet here, which is my second closet because I just have so much. So that is my little room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed that little mini room tour. I know there wasn't too much to see, but I did want to show it off because I'm really proud of it and I love my own little space. It makes me so excited. This was such a fun get ready with me. Hopefully we can do this more often, you and I. I hope everybody had a really great holiday season, and let's bring in 2023 and make it the best year yet. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.